Welcome to Research Skills for Engineering Students Module 5, Part 1, Academic Databases. In this section, you'll learn what databases are and some tips for searching them effectively. As mentioned, Google and Summon are great ways to get started on your research, but it can be difficult to sift through all the results, especially if you want scholarly resources from a specific subject area. To find the best resources on your topic, you should search in academic databases, in addition to Google and Summon. Databases provide access to journal articles and conference proceedings, as well as other scholarly resources. You get more relevant and focused results because they have better quality control and search functionality. You should choose a database based on subject area, date coverage, and publication type. Interfaces vary between databases, but the search techniques remain essentially the same. There are search operators you can use throughout most databases which help to include and exclude results. The word "or" broadens your search by capturing synonyms or variant spellings of a concept. It means you're looking for results that have either of the terms. For example, wireless communication or mobile communication will find results that have either term present. The word "and" narrows a search by capturing two or more ideas or concepts. It means you're looking for results that have both or all of the concepts. For example, bridge and earthquake will find results that have both terms present. Brackets or parentheses gather or synonyms of a concept together while combining them with another concept. For example, we could search for earthquake or seismic in parentheses and liquefaction. Quotation marks narrow your search by finding words together as a phrase instead of separately. For example, British Columbia in quotation marks will make sure that you find the province of British Columbia and won't find other results where the words appear separately. In many databases, an asterisk will act as a truncation symbol, which expands your search results to find various endings of a word stem. For example, structure with an asterisk will find structure, structures, structural, structured, and any other endings with this word stem. A good way to brainstorm relevant keywords is through controlled vocabulary or subject headings. They describe what the article is about and can be found in the detailed view of an article record. The vocabulary or headings make up a list in the database known as a thesaurus. The thesaurus contains synonyms as well as broader and narrower terms. You'll see an example of using a thesaurus in Part 2 of this module. You can find more tips from UBC Library at Databases Search Strategies. That concludes Module 5, Part 1. In the next video, you'll learn how to find scholarly engineering resources in the engineering database Compendex.